What is this thing?
Yummy? Sour? Ayan. Taste ng kamay. Yeah.
May gusto siya na sour patch din, kaso may alcohol i-ask na lang daw if pwede walang alcohol.
Ah, okay. Baka it's not yummy.
Sour patch.
Check mo.
Itong sour patch.
Jo, pagkuha na lang extra lingkuranan. Pagkuha na lang extra lingkuranan.
Drink.
Oh, that's a drink. I thought it was food.
Check.
Picture? Ay, wait lang.
Share na lang tayo, caramel. Kaya ba, hindi lang ganahan. Caramel and iced tea. Finish! Scones, cream, and jam. Masa na?
Yung parang British na pastry, something with lamb.
Sige daw.
Isang scones.
Ha?
Isang scones.
Ito, may cream cheese. Tapos isa nito.
And then the scones, cream, and...
Tignan ko muna picture.
Okay.
Not sure pa. Tapos isang caramel, cafe caramel.
Yung caramel ko, ice or hot?
Ice. Tapos isang iced tea. May matcha daw. Matcha. Ano pa yung mga drinks?
And isang matcha pa pa.
Sila matcha. Ano sa inyo?
There's cookies.
Which cookies? I didn't even see.
Ice matcha. Sweet and coconut.
No, those are cocktail.
Isang cocktail.
Isa aning salami and isa aning ham crust each. Isa-isa. Taste namo. Pwede man siguro isa ka scones, i-taste lang namo. Okay ba? I-taste lang nato. Nag-order na mo? Sige, gusto. Okay. Sige, i-try lang nato kung okay.
Wow!
Sige, diretso na siya ilang. Kabilang side, Ruby. Doon ka. Just take out the bag. Lagyan mo yan. Doon ka para makita
Yan
ka.
ang gusto niya, kaya ayaw daw niya makita ang flower.
Ayaw mo. Wala flower. Dito. Wala na flower. So caramel. Again, mga pops. Siya na natin. It's a cocktail drink, my goodness. Sour? Ayan.
Taste weird.
For adults, no kasi yan ang drink to eh.
I just take the...
Masarap. Ang candy. Sige daw, kunin mo daw. So that's a Sour Patch. That's fun. Ubus na. Ikaw nag-order.
It's so sour. It's sweet.
Wala, ako din. Sabihan niyo lang. Medyo tabak.
Pero feel ko kulang din ang masarap. Okay lang.
Ah, okay. Kaya pala parang lasa water. Mix pala, mix. Lasa siyang unsa. Kanang
Bitter talaga natin.
maralan din siya tea, tapos top up.
Wow!
Alaligaw. Pwede magpa-butang sugar, ani. Top up na yun.
Oh, yeah.
Mura siya glasang tubig lang. Sarap. Which one? No, this is coffee.
Oh, it's coffee.
It tastes like water.
I need water.
Hingi ka ng ano? Hingi ka ng cup. Dagay ko sa'yo. I don't know if you like it, but... Focus mo.
Which one?
That one. Ikaw nag-order niyan.
Ako?
Yeah, who did? Sour Patch? That's your order.
Oh.
You want this? You want this? Joe. Ani Joe? Oh, maraglamit
I'm
Joe.
gonna drink that.
Okay. Huwag mo lang ubusin agad. Kunti-kunti lang, good.
Yeah.
Oh, looks yummy. Joe, i-slice Joe, be anak be. I-slice. Kaya ako magbili. Go. Itong version. Ikaw kaya mag-video pa, Ana. Sige. Go. Kaya ako
Why is the
pahiga.
bread so hard?
Need to cut it with a knife.
What is this one?
It's the
Sauce?
dressing sa salad.
Okay. Para masarap,
Or baka
masarap yan.
balsamic.
Maybe it's honey
Baka
mustard.
balsamic vinegar din. Masarap daw yan sa
Oo,
cheese.
masarap. Huwag mo siya pagkain. Just get it by your hand na lang. Ayan. Oh, taste it. Let me know if it's good. Good? I like it because it's salami, man. Sarap yan.
Wow!
Try mo, may masarap. Lang.
Dili ko na. Dili ko na mayonnaise.
Lamit, promise. Frog burger.
Dili ko na.
Taste ng kamay. Lamit, lagi. Taste nyo masarap. You like it, God? Di ba masarap?
Baka mahugaw man.
This is scones, huh?
Wow, so cute. Ah, yun yung cream puff, something.
Scone.
Yung
Okay. you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, Travel with Miyaka, and click on the notification bell to be notified with our latest video. Thank you so much!